Welcome back to Celebrity Info Central, your go-to hub for everything you need to know. And today, we've got something a little different. We're stepping away from the glitz and glam of celebrity life and diving into something that might not make headlines, but sure does make a difference on your workbench. The best bench vises on the market in 2025. Yes, we're talking about those chunky tools that never get the spotlight, but are always there when you need them, kind of like your favorite handyman. Let's face it, whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pro, having a reliable vise is like having a strong, silent partner who just holds it all together. And I mean that literally. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? That's exactly what we're here to answer today. From heavy-duty beasts to versatile little wonders, I'm going to break down the top 5 bench vises that are dominating the market in 2025. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know which one is perfect for you. Before we get into it, make sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss any of our future reviews. We're always testing out the best tools and gadgets. And don't forget to check the description box for all the product links, and wait for it, check the first comment for an exclusive deal that could save you some cash. Trust me, you'll want to jump on that. Now let's stop wasting time and get to the real business, picking the best bench vise for your next big project. Ready? Let's do this. Eclipse EWWQR9 Bench Vise Review. First up, we have the Eclipse EWWQR9 Bench Vise, a classic choice for both professionals and hobbyists. This vise features a heavy-duty cast iron construction that provides exceptional durability. Its 9-inch jaw width gives you ample space for larger projects, and its robust anvil design makes it a versatile tool for a variety of tasks. What sets the Eclipse apart is its superior clamping power, ensuring that your workpieces stay securely in place, no matter how heavy the task. It also boasts a smooth 360-degree swivel base, allowing for effortless repositioning to access all angles of your work. Users rave about its precision machine jaws, which offer a firm grip without damaging delicate materials. Whether you're working on metal, wood, or other materials, the Eclipse EWWQR9 ensures that you can tackle your projects with confidence. However, some have mentioned that the clamping force could be slightly stronger for more heavy-duty tasks. Nevertheless, this vise offers excellent value for those looking for a reliable all-around tool for most projects. Yost Vises 445 Combination Vise Review. Next, we have the Yost Vises 445 Combination Vise. This multifunctional bench vise is designed for both professional and home use. What makes the Yost 445 stand out is its dual functionality. It serves as both a clamp-on vise and a workbench vise. The 4.5-inch jaw opening is perfect for working on smaller tasks or more delicate materials. The built-in swivel base ensures that you can adjust your workpiece for the best angle with ease. It also has a unique soft jaw feature, allowing you to switch to more gentle materials for your work, without worrying about marring or damaging the surface. The Yost Vises 445 is built to last, with high-strength steel construction that guarantees longevity and reliability even under heavy use. It's ideal for those who need a versatile vise that can handle a range of applications, from basic household repairs to more detailed craftsmanship. However, if you plan to work with larger materials, you may find the 4.5-inch jaw opening limiting. Overall, the Yost Vises 445 is an excellent choice for those looking for flexibility and ease of use at a competitive price. Wilton ATV All-Terrain Vise Review. The Wilton ATV All-Terrain Vise is a standout when it comes to versatility and rugged performance. Designed specifically for outdoor use, this vise is perfect for those who need a reliable tool in rough and challenging environments. Its heavy-duty construction and all-terrain mounting capabilities allow it to be used on a variety of surfaces, whether you're on a workbench, the back of a truck, or in the field. The jaw capacity is impressive, providing a sturdy grip for larger materials. Plus, its 360-degree rotation makes it an excellent choice for versatile, hands-on projects. One of the key selling points of the Wilton ATV Vise is its portability. It's engineered to withstand the toughest conditions, with a design that makes it easy to transport from one location to another. Whether you're working on outdoor tasks, ATV repairs, or general construction work, this vise is a must-have tool. However, some users have mentioned that the weight of the vise can be a bit heavy for those who prefer more compact tools. Still, its rugged design and all-terrain ability make it a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts and field workers. Yost Vises 750E Multi-Jaw Rotating Vise Review. For those who need a vise that can handle a wide range of applications, the Yost Vises 750E Multi-Jaw Rotating Vise is a fantastic option. This model boasts multi-jaw functionality, allowing you to quickly switch between different jaw styles, including flat, serrated, and pipe jaws. The rotating base makes it incredibly versatile, offering users the freedom to position their work at any angle without removing the workpiece from the vise. The solid steel construction ensures it can handle heavy-duty tasks, while the smooth operation makes it easy to adjust as needed. The Yost 750E is perfect for users who need precision and flexibility. Whether you're working with pipes, metal, or wood, this vise ensures a solid grip and allows for a wide range of tasks. The ease of rotation and adjustable jaws make it a must-have for anyone working on diverse projects. However, the size of this vise may be a bit large for those with limited workspace. Still, the multi-jaw design and rotating base make it an excellent investment for serious professionals. VEVOR 6 Heavy-Duty Multipurpose Bench Vise Review. Finally, let's take a look at the VEVOR 6 Heavy-Duty Multipurpose Bench Vise, a powerful budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. This vise features a 6-inch jaw opening that can easily handle a variety of materials, from metal to wood. The high-quality cast-iron construction offers durability and stability, making it an excellent choice for both DIYers and professionals. The 360-degree swivel base adds extra convenience by allowing you to position your workpiece at the perfect angle for precision tasks. The VEVOR 6 vise is designed for those who need a multi-purpose tool that can handle a wide range of tasks. It provides excellent value for the price, making it one of the best bench vises for those on a budget. The only downside is that some users have reported minor issues with the clamping force, which may not be strong enough for particularly heavy-duty tasks. However, for general use and lighter jobs, the VEVOR 6 is an excellent choice. And there you have it. A breakdown of the best bench vises on the market in 2025. Each of these tools offers unique features, and the right one for you will depend on your specific needs. Whether you're looking for versatility, durability, or portability, there's a vise on this list that's perfect for your workshop. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you used any of these vises before? Or are you considering picking one up for your next project? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And, as always, check the description box for the product links and exclusive deals in the first comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.